Good morning children. Welcome to online class. Children, in previous class I given you revision work and today I will teach you about our body machine. Children, the human body works like a machine. It has several systems and one important system is the respiratory system. Our body performs all the function automatically and being humans we can perform each and every task as faster as we can, and that is why it is called that a body is machine. It performs several functions without rest from the birth. One important system is respiratory system, and the respiratory system is responsible for obtaining the oxygen the body needs and the removing the waste carbon dioxide that is created when body cells use the oxygen. This system works directly with the circulatory system to provide oxygen to the body. Oxygen taken in form of the respiratory system moves into blood vessels that then circulate oxygen rich blood to tissues and cells. Now students, see in your chapter in question number A what is written here. First A, write true or false for each statement in the bracket. Statements are given, you have to accordingly read the statement and in front of the statements you have to write true or false. First one, we breathe out oxygen as false. Oxygen is needed to burn food. True. Number 3, the heart is the most important part of the respiratory system. That is false. Number 4, all living things breathe is true. Number 5, the windpipe connects the nose and the lungs. True. Number 6, air enters the body usually through the mouth is false. Number 7, all living beings need oxygen is true. Number 8, wearing tight clothes helps to breathe is false. Number 9, the ear is an important part of respiratory system, that is false. Number 10, the air we breathe is impure is true. Number 11, the respiratory system works only when we are awake, that is false. The human body works like a machine is true. Now see the question number B. Cancel the wrong alternative in each. Two options are given. You have to put the cross mark or cancel that word. In correct word we have to cancel and correct word you have to write. Here first one, all, most. Two words are given. Here we have to cancel the word all, means on the top of all we have to put the cross mark. A correct statement is most living beings breathe through the nose. Number 2, the breathing system helps to send out, you have to cancel pure air. We should keep the windows of the room open closed. So you have to cross the closed. Number 4, the mouth, nose. So you have to cross the mouth. Is an important part of the respiratory system. Correct answer is the nose is an important part of the respiratory system and you have to put the cross mark on mouth. Number 5, fresh air gives us oxygen or carbon. Here you have to put the carbon cross and oxygen is the correct answer. Now see the question number C. Put a tick mark for each correct answer. One statement is given and 3 options are given. You have to put the tick mark. Correct statement, correct options you have to choose here. First one, all our actions are controlled by, and correct answer is the brain. The skeletal system is formed by the bones. The waste is thrown out by the kidneys. Digestion begins in our mouth. The number of sense organs in our body is 5. Blood is pumped by the correct answer is heart. The brain is protected by the skull. Urine is thrown out by the kidneys. Now students, you have to write these notes in your copy or book that is given in descriptions. Next class I will teach you some great inventors.